How's it going, folks? This is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics, joesge.com, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a couple differences and telling you guys about a couple differences that are in between these two watches. What you're looking here, this is a Samsung Gear S3. They have a couple different types of models. This is a SM-760, then it goes 765, which is an LTE version. AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, they have three options. And then they have the SM-R800, which is the classic version of the same exact watch, it's just a different style. And then there's a 775, which is a LTE version of the same watch. So we have the Gear S3 and we have the Samsung SM-R800. This is the Samsung Galaxy watch, which was made after the S3, so this is a newer watch. This specific watch here also has a LTE compatible version, which is the SM-R805U, so it's actually an unlocked version. So now we're going to go through a couple of the benefits, pros and cons of having these watches. First off, both of these watch bodies are exactly the same on the face if you look at them. They're very similar, they look very similar, and they have a very similar style. If you look at them, they both have those two buttons on the left hand side right here. If you look on the right side, they both have that microphone coming out on that side. The biggest difference and improvement is going to be on the back side. The Samsung Gear S3 is not very waterproof. Do not take your Gear S3 around water because it's going to be leaking water through the back of the housing and through the back of the HR sensor because there's just a piece of double-sided tape holding that together. On the Samsung SM-R800, the Galaxy watch here, as you can tell, they actually modified the HR sensor. Look how much bigger this sensor is on this back cover, how much larger and how much area there could be between this part to that part of the back housing to the glass. That was going to be what is allowing water to come through. And on this watch here, you can see it's much smaller. So the HR sensor has changed on the Galaxy watch. It has improved, it is better, it's better at tracking, and they just changed the whole design. So that's one of the biggest improvements that we've seen is this specific watch here is more waterproof. This is still one of those things where when people tell you that or we tell you that, it's still with smartwatches like this, you don't want to be using them around water. It's not recommended. These are just really nice watches to walk around with. These are smartwatches that are companions to your phone. What's cool about Samsung watches is they have great battery life, unlike Apple watches which suck at battery life. You get 18 hours to 20 hours maximum. These Samsung watches both have about 3 days of battery life, that is. So you get about 72 hours of usage, which is important. It varies based off how you use it and how much you're working out in this. And so that's going to be really important for you if you're looking in between getting an Apple Watch or a Samsung Watch. The Samsung Watch definitely has much better battery life, which is going to be really important. For me, that's important. I want to sleep with my watch so I can get a trackability on my sleep patterns and all that fun stuff. What's cool about these two styles is the fact that they actually have the old school dials. We all love the old school dials, which is dope. So you can actually spin this dial here left and right, and then you'll actually toggle through the screens with different options. If you look at this watch here, that actually has the same exact option. So why do I like one watch versus the other? One thing I really like about the Gear S3 is it has a really sick design here with these bezels, which I really like. And I have the ability to twist it, and it just looks really nice. The Galaxy watch, even though it's newer, I don't really like the color scheme of the black on silver. This black part does get scratched very easily, so over time your watch is going to look less and less new, which kind of sucks. The Gear S3s do a little bit better job of holding up in the distress, plus the outside is the same color, so it does hold up pretty well. And so I really like that about the watch. One of the other things that the SM-R800, which is the Samsung Galaxy watch here, does have an improvement on is it has a faster processor, also has a larger battery. Even though the battery life is exactly the same, it has a slightly larger battery. One of the benefits the older watch has here, the Gear S3, is it has 2 gigabytes of storage instead of 1.5 gigabytes of storage. I'm pretty sure they just made some space on the board to make it a little bit faster for the CPU here, since the CPU is faster. Another improvement that the newer Galaxy watch has on the Gear S3 is the fact that it has a slightly better glass. So it's going to be better if you're going to be trying to smash it with a hammer. It should withstand it better, and it should withstand any nicks and whatnot better as well, since they used a better, stronger glass on this model. Alright, in closing, these watches are beautiful watches to wear because they look awesome. They have that classic feel, but they have all the smartwatch capabilities that you want. your notifications, you can take calls, you can text people, all that fun stuff that you can do on an Apple Watch, you can do it all on the Samsung Watch. These obviously pair best to a Samsung device, but they work just as fine with an Apple device with some slight limitations on it as well. And if I was to be wearing one, I'd definitely be rocking the S3. I have rocked it in the past. I wouldn't say these are great for working out or playing volleyball in the sand, because if that's the case, you're gonna have some really scratchy dial. So don't play volleyball in the sand with this specific watch, or even get around any water in the first place. Done it before, not a good idea. But it is beautiful because you have that sick dial on there, and it just has that classic look. So if you want to go out to a nice dinner, or if you want to go to a special event, these look really cool compared to alien-like stuff like maybe like this Fitbit Sense or an Apple Watch like that. Alright, that's all we have for you guys. If you guys have any comments, suggestions, questions, feel free to reach out to us. And if you guys want to support us, feel free to buy these off our website. We do sell Samsung Watch on our website, joesge.com. We got some great deals for you guys, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy them. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Joe with joesge.com signing out. Have a wonderful day.